Okay, we just found our regression equation using data analysis. And again, the problem with this is hard-coded. As I change values over here in sheet 1, this would not automatically update this. I'd have to redo it. So if I come over here, we can use formulas for this. So our slope and our intercept. So up here I'm going to come to E2 and I'll do equals and I'll start typing slope. And it says return the slope of the linear regression line through the given data points. I'll do a beginning parentheses and it tells you it wants y's first. So we're going to do B2 colon B8 and then comma and then our x values. So we'll do A2 colon A8. Close parentheses, enter. For our intercept, I'll do equals intercept beginning parentheses, and then it wants y's, so I'm going to do B2 colon B8, comma, A2 colon A8, close parentheses, and then enter. Now the intercept, see how intercept over here was our B, which was 9.28, so forth, 9.28. Slope, which was before our x, is 10.03 and 10.03. The beauty of having formulas here is I can come over here and if I change a value, I don't have to redo the entire thing. It automatically updates. And if I'm clever with this, which I may not be, it's been a while, so I may not be able to do this. Regression equation. Let's see if I can remember how to do it. Equals, and we're going to do the intercept, slope, sorry, the slope, and x, and this is where it kind of gets tricky, I think, plus, and then and E3, where, yeah, that worked, okay. So again, the formula I use for that, if I figure out how to bring that up. Obviously I'm not smart enough to. I think it's between these. Oh, there it is. Okay, never mind. So if I come here and click up here, okay, you see it down here. Now E2 refers to our slope right there. Then the and concatenates, and then I'm concatenating an x on there, and then the and again, and then I'm concatenating a plus, which is kind of problematic, because if it's a negative, it'll say plus minus, and then E3, which is my intercept. Again, it gives us that. Now, if I wanted to be clever about this, and this gets in trickier, I say if. And or equals if, and then I say E3 is less than 0. So I'm saying if the intercept is less than 0, then I'm going to form E2 and an x, and now here I don't need to put a sign on there because it's negative. So I just put in E3. And then I'll put a comma to go to the other possibility, which is E2 and X, and then plus. Actually, I can put the plus right within the X. And then and then E3. Close parentheses, enter. Okay, we get that, and that's no big surprise. But then if I change these values, well, what can I do to make that the intercept positive? Obviously, I'm not smart enough to change numbers to get the intercept to. But anyway, it should work, the formula I gave there. But you see, you can do clever things with this, and it's dynamic. Now I'm not quite sure how to round those. There's probably a round function, such I can put a round in here, beginning parentheses, E2, comma, 2. And then on the E3, I can put round, comma, E3, comma, 2. And that'll round it 2 decimal places. If you're good with formulas, you can do wonders with Excel. It's more than just clicking the little sigma button up here. So, anyway, that's finding the regression equation using formulas.